Welcome to V.I Tech Academy, where accessibility meets innovation.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of V.I Tech Academy YouTube channel. This is your host Ratul. In this video, we are gonna discuss about a hidden feature of MS Word. We all use Microsoft Word for writing documents, editing documents, for reading purposes, for our studies, but most of us don't know about this feature, which I'm gonna share with you today. Yes, I know that you know all the major features of MS Word, but the feature which I'm gonna discuss today is totally new for everyone, at least for visually impaired. Yes, I can assure you that. So, without further delay, let's watch the full video. Before starting today's tutorial, if you are interested to learn basic to advanced computer, including web development, Python programming, WordPress, and Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Internet, Screen Reader, with personalized guidance, one-on-one sessions, proper certifications, then V.I Tech Academy is the right choice for you. Join our courses, which is exclusively for visually impaired. For more details, check out our website from the About page of our YouTube channel. So guys, today I will share with you how you can create different sections in your Microsoft Word. What is the section? Section means, let's suppose you have a document and you in your document you want to make some designs, different designs for different parts. Suppose this is a guidebook and section 1 will be about introduction part, where some page numbers is different, where some other typography is different. Then you have another section called the main content, or another section called some other things. So you can create different sections, and each sections you can edit footers, headers, colors, etc. So today we will just learn how to create a section, and if you require, if you need, then we might discuss some other features in our upcoming videos. So let me open a Word file.
Desktop list, Word, home group, document page, blank.
So listen the title again.
Document 1, Word.
So listen the title again clearly.
Document 1, Word, document page 1, section 1, blank.
So by default, section 1 it is saying, right?
Blank.
So let's suppose here I'm just typing this is first section. It is for in
C D O R T N I space T I space R R C C U D O R T N I. Introduction. Blank. This is first section. It is for introduction.
Okay, now I'm just going down.
Blank.
So now here I want to add another section. This is a little different from page break. If I just press Ctrl Enter here, then new page will be added, right? But instead of page break, I can add sections. To do this, I need to go to the page setup menu by pressing Alt key. Then I go to layout.
P6 of 11.
Okay, I'm activating it using spacebar.
Lower ribbon grouping, layout grouping, page setup grouping 1 of 3, margins collapsed Alt P M1 of 8.
So now I'm going to group wise.
And then left edit Alt 0, ribbon tab control collapsed, lower ribbon grouping, page setup grouping 1 of 3, margins collapsed Alt P M1
I'm
of 8.
going to use tab key.
Orientation collapsed Alt
Tab.
P size collapsed Alt, columns collapsed, breaks collapsed Alt P B5 of 8. Line numbers collapsed Alt P LN6 of 8.
Okay. So this breaks. So you need to
breaks menu item focused collapse.
Press spacebar or enter on the breaks.
The page breaks grouping 1 of 2. Page not selected Alt plus P 1 of 3.
So it is saying page. Now I'm going down.
Column not selected
Column.
Alt plus text wrapping not selected
Text
Alt plus T
wrapping.
for section breaks grouping 2 of 2. Next
Section
page
breaks.
not selected Alt plus N1
Under
of 4.
section breaks grouping, you have few options. First option is next page. So the section will be added in the next page. It will be automatically break, and section 2 will be added in the next page. If you want, you can do this Next one is
Continuous not selected. Alt plus O to
continuous,
avoid.
which means where you are, where is your cursor. If you just press enter here, the section will be break from there. And next is
Even page not selected. Alt
even
plus
page.
E3
So
of 4.
section will be created to the next even page. Even means 2, 4, 6, 8 even number pages. So next is
Odd page not selected.
odd.
Alt plus D.
So sections will be created to the next odd pages.
E continuous not selected.
So what I do is I just press enter on continuous.
Document page 1 section 2 blank.
And now
Document.
see section 2, page 1 but section 2. Now I'm going to top.
Section 1 is his first section. It is for introduction.
Down.
Blank. Page break.
This is not exactly the page break, it's actually section break.
Section 2 blank.
Section 2.
Blank.
So under section 2 we can write whatever we want, and here we can change the font style, everything whatever you want you can change, like background colors and etc, etc. Everything you can change. This is very useful when you actually create the big documents or some guidebooks or something similar, whatever I told just before starting the video. So I hope you like this feature, and if you don't know this feature, please like the video, and if you find this content useful, share this video with others also. Don't forget to subscribe to V.I Tech Academy for more useful tutorials like this. If you have any doubts or questions, ask into the comment section. If you wish, you can join our Telegram and WhatsApp channel as well as WhatsApp group. Links are given in the video description below. That's it for today. See you in the next tutorial. Till then, bye bye.